Disney Junior presents a Doc Mcstuffin's magical moment. At the toy hospital, Doc is training her team to deliver dazzling diagnoses.
It takes patience and time to analyze a problem. Don't expect that you'll find the answer right away. Keep trying to find all the clues and you'll figure it out. Steps and questions fall into line. Getting to the bottom of a problem takes time. Pay attention and write what you find. For any itis or a ptosis, we're making a diagnosis. Ooh, diagnosis. Ooh, diagnosis. We're making a diagnosis. Oh, I need to get to surgery. Why don't you just take a break and we'll practice more later? You want to head to Peaches Pie's Tea Party Palace? Maybe a tea party will help us feel better.
Might as well.
Sure. Pardon me.
Peaches Pie, are you okay?
I can't stop coughing.
Guys, something might be wrong with Peaches Pie. We are med students, and we have to make a diagnosis.
Stuffy's right.
Let's remember what Doc taught us. We have to ask good questions and look for clues.
Do you have any symptoms besides coughing?
I have a really scratchy feeling in my throat. And how long have you been coughing? Ever since Gloria Gorilla came in. I remember. She said she wanted to cool down with some tea after she was making sandcastles at Sandbox Beach.
Gloria was all covered in sand when she came to the hospital.
What if the sand from Gloria's fur got in Peaches Pie's throat?
And that's what's making her cough. Could you say, "ah" for me? Yep, looks like you've got some sand in there.
Peaches Pie, we have a diagnosis. You have a case of the scratchy sand coffee coughs. What should I do?
Here, this water should help wash some of the sand out of your throat.
How's that feel? That feels lots better.
Great! Now, let's get you to Doc. When she gets out of surgery, she can give you a checkup.
You made a proper diagnosis. Yes! Peaches, rinse your throat with some more water. That should wash out any sand that's still left in there. Thanks, Doc. That really feels a lot better. And thank you, Three. I wouldn't have known what to do if you hadn't made that diagnosis. Oh, cuddle time!
Doc's toys listened and learned, and now they are well on their way to mastering medicine. Keep watching for another magical moment, and you can watch more Doc Mcstuffins on Disney Junior.